Just one problem after another this morning. I don't know if I should keep doing restream. It's not like anybody's watching my YouTube video. The only thing is like you post a YouTube video and then or when you stream after you stream your YouTube, like at least it creates a video, like so maybe somebody someday will watch it. You know? Sweep, did you know my computer just crashed? Were you here for that? It just died. Here, one second. Thanks for sticking around. Appreciate it. Sorry, it's been a shit show. What a fucking shit show of a stream. I wanna check out that video, but let me get everything set up. I got 20 long years for a dust in a bag. Yo, his whole fucking his whole discography is pretty good. Let me go to Chrome. I got 20 long years for dust in a baggie. I gotta set everything back up. I saw the stream die. I watched the death of the stream in real time, homies. Alright, then we got VS Code. Oh man. I did it backwards. I had to reset up all my I'm having to reset up all my OBS screens or whatever. Waifu list. Okay, now we should be back, fellas. Sorry about that. What a mess. What a disaster. Okay, cool. So you got a link for me? Let's take a look. I got 20 long years of... And then what happened to my Chrome? Chrome died now? Oh, boy. I'll pull that one off, too. Don't know why that wasn't. Okay, here, let me test the sound. Look how fast my internet speed is. 904 megs. But the upload's 38 megs, which is like pretty good, but not like the best or whatever, you know? It's like pretty good, but not like incredible. Okay, we're just about set. Let me just try Suno real quick. But yeah, that's pretty good speed, you know? You mean it's just I don't know if it's fiber or whatever. But it's you know the Comcast, they're like special, they're like a fast one. It's up to 1 gig, and I use Ethernet. Yeah, I use an Ethernet connection, but I don't know, is that fiber? Okay, let me just make sure the sound's working. How do you write so many songs in just one day? My feet is full. Almost, yeah. Yeah, you know, when I was in Los Angeles, I tried to see if you can get more than a gig, but I don't think it's possible. Unless you're a company. Like in Los Angeles, like they wouldn't it was called I forget the name of the internet provider. Starts with an S though. But they were like, "Nah, you can't get it unless you're you know, unless you're a company." All right, let's check this out. So you said your wife sent this to you? Okay, so she's... Oh, that's crazy. Here, let's put some sound on it. This is from Puning, Guangxi. I wonder how hard that is. Oh, wow. Very cool. That's like a kickflip. Yeah, she does it like an ollie and it flips. How does she get it up though? Cause you know, like you get an ollie up by like you push down and then you know you slide your foot to the front and then you push on the top of the board, and then it like balances out. It's crazy how she what up, Mag? Not good, dude. My stream is like my internet's like my stream has been dying. Like over and over, it just keeps dying. First it was like, well, I forget why we had to restart my chat. Cause I'm streaming to YouTube and Twitch, which by the way, like I don't even know if it's like makes a lot of sense to do that. If you don't have a lot of subs on YouTube, maybe if you have like 1,000 subs, it would make sense. But discovery on YouTube is like really bad. Like, you know, like I've streamed for like, or at least for me, maybe other people, I don't know. But it's hard. Like nobody ever comes in. You know how people randomly come into Twitch and they say what's up? Like that never happens on YouTube. Like not for me yet. I've never had one person talk to me on YouTube Live that, you know, I didn't know. All right, so check this out. Let's see. I want to check it out one more time. Yeah, but anyway, so the stream has been, so I've been using Restream to do it, and it just keeps dying, dude. Like over and over. This is really cool, man. What is this thing called? I wonder what that, what is that device called? What is the skateboard called that is split in two? One wheel boards. I don't know. Is that like is that the best way to describe it? A wave board? Is that what it is? Let me see a picture. Let me see a picture of a wave board. No, that's not what I'm talking about. Those are really cool though. Those are way fun. Rad board. No. What did he call it? A wave board? I mean, that's kind of similar. It's like that kind of, but split. You see this, Mag, though? This is dope. Here, I want to show Mag that backflip, too. I wonder how she did that. The kickflip is really cool. You know what they kind of look like? They kind of look like roller skates, you know? But it's not 4 wheels. It's just, you know, 1 on each. All right, so check this out, Mag. So if I go to Discord and then... Check out this, where did I post it? Ideas? Miscellaneous? I thought it was miscellaneous. General? I forget where I posted. Oh no, you know where I didn't post it. I sent it to Birdbot. That's where I had it. Check out this video. Look at this dude. I know I can't make it any bigger though. So you have to deal. Look, watch this. Going up the ramp, he backflips and then does a grab. Isn't that crazy? Look. Boom. Backflip. Gainer. It's crazy, huh? How's TomTom going, Mag? How's everything going in the game? I know you said there were a lot of new players and all that. Are you doming them? Because last time when I talked to you, like on stream, you were telling me that basically like some of them were pretty good or like you were having a bad day. Even though there's no like luck in TomTom because, right, there's no crits or range, like range of attacks. So I'm curious how it's going. This was a funny question. Okay, now let's get to what I wanted to get to. We'll leave this on. What a silly lyric. Unfollow, unfollow. You know, Freedom DAO Sweep came by the other day. I hadn't seen him in a while. Remember the dude who did the Quantum Project? Okay, so here we go. I want to demo. First of all, I want to demo the difference between OpenAI transcription with Whisper, versus transcription with Google SR. It's called Speech Library or what have you. I'll pull up the name and I'll show you guys the libraries. Let me just verify where I am here. I'm in Transcribe OpenAI. Okay, did I copy? I didn't even copy anything in yet. Okay, let's copy some files. So I'm actually created a new GitHub repo, and the reason I did that is because the fundamental purpose of the original repo that's, you know, attached at exclamation point. Sorry, this is too loud, huh? Gosh, what a messed up day. Everything is just not working out my way. Okay. So there's 2 different repos, right? Like, well, there's one repo that I've now created a separate repo for. And the purpose of the second one is just to do the transcription, to make it look TikTok pretty, to make the clip look TikTok pretty. The first repo is the one that does the heavy lifting, you know? That's interacting with OpenRouter, that does all the LLM or AI type stuff. So that repo is called AI Clip Generator, and this one is going to be called Transcribe featuring OpenAI. And actually, right before my internet crashed, this is what I was kind of getting to. And I need to actually set up this whole repo. So let me do that right now. So yeah, I've got it. It's called Feature Transcribe. I'm going to give it a star. I do like this project and this particular GitHub project. And the reason I like it is it works. This is how like I post all my TikTok videos. I use it to do the transcription. And so, but I want to demo because I did have to. I have like two kind of issues with it, and I want to kind of explain them here. Let me set up the remote. And I always forget the commands in GitHub to set up the remote. I know it's like here. Let me see. Give me the commands to set up this remote Git repo. Yeah, what a messed up day, dude. Everything on the stream is You know what I think it is, Mag? That's crazy because you're in the Midwest too, I think, or like somewhere similar, and so is Sweep. I think it's the weather. Okay, yeah, I think it's the weather. Like it was 1 degree this morning, and it's like 10 degrees now. I think it might be the weather. You know, it's so cold. Okay, so here we go. What we have is some setup here. Let me follow these instructions to clone it. So I'm just gonna do a quick git clone. And then I want to. I guess I should have done that. I didn't create this folder, so I needed to make it real quick. Make directory. I didn't spell it right. You know, oftentimes when I'm like creating directories, I don't spell them perfectly well. It's not a huge deal, but it does look a little tacky. Okay, so we'll we're already getting a git error. Git remote. Okay, yeah. I don't know what just happened here. Let's do git remote set origin. Okay, so that's going to work. And then okay, so let's do. I think the remote should be all set up then. So we should just be able to commit. Okay, so let's cd into feature transcribe. Now let's copy the folders that do the Python files that actually do the transcription. So I know some of them. One is called feature transcribe v2. And I want you guys to see, like, once I get these up here, I think this should be fun to see the actual difference between OpenAI Whisper versus it's called not viral open router. It's called feed transcribe. Okay. It's called feed trans whisper. Okay, so we're gonna copy that also here. So now we've got both of them in here. Actually, that's probably it. The only thing I need probably is the requirements, right? I probably need the requirements file. Let me see if I can find it. I'm not seeing it. Where does it put the requirements? I was actually wondering this the other day. Like, shouldn't there be a JSON? Or is it embedded inside? I mean, it's not gonna matter in a sense because the content environment is right there. In other words, I'll be able to run this without probably any issue, but since I'm posting it on, damn, I just closed out the disability. What a crazy day. Gosh, it's like a complete crystal mess of a stream. But okay, let's see if I can get back on track here and in the right direction. Okay, so it should work, right? Is what I'm getting at here. Let me copy over one other file, which is the video that we're going to be transcribing. And so that video, I think, is called, gosh, if I can even remember. I want to use the same one that we did, that I posted on TikTok yesterday. This glitch code, first half. I think it's just called waifu, right? Yeah, because it's about waifus. It's just like a clip from yesterday's stream. It's called waifu list. Okay, so we're going to put waifu list .mp4, and we're going to copy it in here. The song doesn't sound so bad. It's not bad. Okay, they never believe I sleep for the street. Wait, where was I? I want to just copy this folder. So I already have the transcribed version. Or subtitled, I guess it's called. Let's rename. Let's copy it. Oh no, I already did. Okay, cool. We're all set. So let me actually just copy one more, which is the README. We're gonna update the README since we created a new repo for it. We do need a new README, but we'll see how that works. Okay, so I think we're all set. Let me see. These are all the files in there. Let's run it. So it's feature transcribe v2. Now, if I look at the README, I forget the exact command. Oh, you know what else I'm gonna need too, guys? I'll need the font. Let me copy the font also. So yeah, this was quite a bit of work to get this new repo set up, but I think it'll be worth it. It's called Montrachet Blast, and the reason I think it'll be worth it is because it just makes more sense because they're two different projects effectively. Even though the clip generator is using transcription in the end for presentation to share to TikTok, etc., it makes more sense to have them as two separate projects for promotion for a few reasons. Okay, let's copy this. So now we have the font. No, it doesn't like it. I'd have to do it manually. Reveal in Finder. I'm just gonna do this in Finder real quick so you guys aren't gonna be able to see. But just so you know, that's what I'm up to. So then it's transcribe for open. Okay, this should be in here now. Let me see. Oof, I don't see it. I'm looking at it though. Maybe it's in the parent directory. Yeah, there it is. Okay, cool. Now we should have everything. Let me look at the README real quick. We'll get the Python command. The only thing I don't like about this project so far is the README. You'll see what the bash command is to run it, and it's not like that straightforward, you know, because it's not a web app, right? So all of the commands to make it look dope all have to be done like this, you know, like this. They have to be spelled out. So font size, color. What up, Joker? All right, we're gonna run this through. So we're gonna run it. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna run it through both. So I'm gonna run it with Google using SR, Google Speech Recognition. I'm gonna run it through without, and you guys can take a look at the subtitles. Tell me what you think. You're gonna know immediately, but we'll just run it through. It's crazy my README didn't update, but here we'll I need to get the proper command. So just give me 1 second. I'm gonna ask Claudette to provide that for me.
Why go home when you're free as light?
Watch, here we go.
But the blackbird
I always forget what font I use, but I believe it's this one. Extra bold italic.
And a tear of blood runs down the ivory beak, while the evil men rewrote history.
Damn, what a lot of work just to create this new GitHub, but no big deal. It'll be good. I need the terminal.
Let him bring us peace.
Use this
now
font.
he's standing guard on a sandy beach
it's not
somewhere.
clip generator. What is it?
And
located?
the troops are coming off the boats.
It's located here.
They're here from across the waves.
So let me update
and the
that.
1,000 planes prepared to bring in the final assault from the air.
What a crazy song this final.
Weep through wires invisible to her.
So weird. My freaking README is not like. I've saved the update with the correct terminal command like a bunch of times. It's just crazy that it's like, you know, every time I have to like rewrite it. All right, here we go. This should be good though. I do need to change this to feature transcribe v2, and I need to change this to the name of the video, which is.
And the blackbird flown before was always there.
The name of the video is Waifu List. Waifu List. I
mean,
it's done okay. This one's done okay on TikTok. I've had others that done pretty good on TikTok. Like, I wanted to stream to TikTok, you know, because I stream to YouTube and like nobody really comes. So I was like, it'd be cool to stream to TikTok because it seems like TikTok, my content is a little bit better. But you have to have 1,000 followers on TikTok to stream. You can apply if you're like dope, I guess, to not have to bypass that, but they didn't accept me. Wait, what the hell is going on here? Oh yeah, because I'm not in the right folder. Here, let's run that back.
And the blackbird who
Right there.
precedes a child's thin weep through wires
Features. Oh,
invisible
there's no
to her are
start for it.
conquered by the noise.
It's like the problem with pluralizing certain words. Sometimes you forget that you did it. So this is features transcribed. Let me run that back. Let me clear. Okay, so it should be producing it now. Thank God. That took a second. So, oh man, it's still giving me issues. File not found. Oh, you know why? Because it needs a tag. The tag is generate transcription. Yeah, this sounds exactly like that. Man, just over and over. Issue. We'll get it done though. Too many issues, homie. I'm just asking Claudette to rewrite that for me. Okay, so this should generate. Okay, good. So it'll generate. Here's the deal. So this is with. We're looking at this file right here. Okay, this file is called generate. It's called feature transcription. Feature transcribe V2, and it's using this library right here. It's called speech recognition. It's a Google library. So if this ever errors out, for example, like I've run this code on long MP4s, for example, some of Joker's, and it'll error out. And oftentimes it'll error out and it'll say Google is pissed at you for some reason, you know? Like something like that. It's like, it talks about Google. I'm like, why the fuck is it mentioning Google? And well, the reason it is because this is a Google library. Now I want you guys to see, we're gonna run this in just 1 second. We're gonna see it. It is taking a little bit long to generate the transcription, but no big deal. Okay, so we've got our waifu list subtitled. So let's take a look at this video. I'm actually gonna have to open this up, so it'll take a second. But I want you guys to see just what the transcription looks like with the Google service versus the OpenAI. And we're gonna get to the OpenAI one right after. So here we go. This is and this is the content. Like I'm gonna be covering this in my first YouTube video. I have it just about done. I'm not really happy. How I did it was I did it in the form of like a PowerPoint presentation because I'm not good at video editing. You know, I don't really have a lot of skill set there. I didn't want to spend forever on it, like especially if nobody's gonna watch it, you know. So I did it in something called the PowerPoint for Mac. That's what I use. Okay, here let's check out this video. So properties. Oof. Okay, that's a good one. This one, not that one. This one. Okay, so this is what we just created. So this is with speech recognition. I'll play it, and you guys can take a look and tell me what you think about the subtitles. Pick from these 3 waifus, okay? There's another issue too with this, okay? That's a little bit unrelated. This is waifu 1. You get her in-game model, okay? Damn, that's I'll talk about it in a second, but you can see how bad the transcription is. Okay, that's waifu 1. Now it's white, so it's a little bit hard to read probably for you guys. This is waifu 2. It does get waifu. Not too bad. Okay. This is waifu 2. All right. Got all right. And this is waifu 3. Play waifu 3. Now you tell me, homie. That. Which of these 3 waifus? Give me your tier list. Give me the order. Okay? I already know my order. Actually, I know Joker's order probably too. Actually, as it's been in the past. Pick from these 3 waifus. Okay? This is waifu 1. Okay? You got her? This is waifu 1. You get her in-game model, okay? Damn, that's a pretty good in-game model. That transcription doesn't look okay, that's waifu 1. Okay? Some of them have looked just atrocious. This is waifu 2. But that's with Google, that's with Google. Okay, so let's run it back. I don't like the white. Let's rerun it with OpenAI. So there's a separate fold. So that was done with features transcribe v2. Again, it's using Google speech recognition. Let's run it back with OpenAI real quick. Let me show you guys what that looks like. It's called Feet Trans Whisper. Okay, so this is you can see it's using Torch, MoviePy, and then Whisper. That's the OpenAI library. So we'll run this with OpenAI Whisper. Let me clear. Let me go ls. Let me take the video down. Nobody knows your order. Your order? I do know your order. Well, I'm pretty sure I know your order. Like, I know Maru's one. I just don't know if you'd rather boink Shauna or the other girl. Or if you want to boink. Boink is such a funny word, huh? That sounds like so tacky. Okay, here, let's go. LS. Let's go. We're gonna run this through and we'll take a look at it. So where's my transcribed? Waifu subtitled. So let's remove it. Boink, boink, boink. Ooh, Pig Warrior, dog. I'm so happy you brought that up, Joker. Like, I'm really pleased that you just said oink, 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 oink. You know why? Because that gives me a chance to spam Pig Warriors. Damn, is my internet fucking dead again? I can't stream today. This is just a fucking disaster if that's true. I can't use the internet? You're kidding me. Dude, this has been it's like cold here, Joker. This is crazy. Is this really what happened here? Yeah, my internet is fucked. This is like the 10th time that's happened. 3rd time this has happened today. I don't even know what to do. Damn it. I know. I don't understand that though, Sweep. Like, I don't get it. That's what was happening before. Like, I could stream. Like, yeah, I didn't go off. Yeah, for a moment. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck is going on, man. Oh, boy. What a bummer. And Suno's still working. Aw, man. Might have to be a no-stream day, dog. I might have to take the day off. Fuck! Damn it! We were just about to talk about Joker's boink boink. Unless if anybody wanted to talk about that. Yeah, this sucks. I don't know what to do. Dang. I can't stream without internet, homies. Look at that, see? Yeah, I don't know what to do. Damn, we were just about to talk about Joker's oink oink, homies. Damn, this sucks, guys. I'm so sorry. I don't know what to do. If I can't, like, use the browser, then I can't stream. You know? Like, because I need to use Claudette. I need to look at weird videos. You know? Like, if I can't use it, then... Fuck. Damn it.